In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit shapes in Google Slides. We'll explore how to adjust shape styles and colors, which is a valuable skill for enhancing your presentation. Let's dive right in. To begin, let's open Google Slides. Start by navigating to the Google Slides website. If you're not signed in already, you'll be prompted to log in with your Google account. Enter your credentials to proceed. Once you're signed in, you'll find yourself on the Google Slides homepage. Here, you have the choice to start with a blank presentation or to select a template that suits your needs. If you're not sure which to choose, a blank presentation is a great place to start as it offers complete creative freedom. Now that we have our presentation open, let's get into inserting shapes. At the top of the screen, you'll see the menu bar. Look for the Insert option. Clicking on Insert will reveal several options, and you'll want to hover over Shape. This action brings up another submenu with various shape categories such as shapes, arrows, callouts, and equations. For today's purposes, let's stick with the shapes category. Here you'll find a variety of basic shapes like rectangles, circles, and triangles. Select a shape that you would like to add to your slide. Once you've chosen a shape, click on it to add it to your slide. You can click and drag on the slide to define the initial size and position of the shape. It's worth noting that you can always resize and reposition the shape later, so don't worry if it's not perfect right away. After placing your shape, click on it to select it. This action will display handles around the shape, allowing you to resize it by clicking and dragging these handles. With your shape selected, let's move on to formatting. At the top of the screen, you'll see a toolbar with various options for formatting shapes. Click on Format Options. This will open a panel on the right side of your screen presenting a range of options to customize your shape's appearance. Here you can adjust the fill color, and border weight. Experiment with different colors and weights to see what looks best in your presentation. In Format Options, you can also add a drop shadow or reflection to give your shape a unique effect. These features can help make certain elements stand out, drawing your audience's attention to important parts of your slide. Feel free to explore these features and customize your shape to your liking. And there you have it. You've now learned how to navigate shapes in Google Slides, from inserting and selecting them to applying various formatting options. With these skills, you're well on your way to creating visually appealing and effective presentations. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.